If your garage smells of old leather and petrol, you're likely a fan of British classics. Think Jaguar E-Type, Aston Martin DB5, or a vintage Mini. If you dream in kilowatts and clean city air, you're all about British electric innovation, like the Jaguar I-Pace, Mini Electric, or Lotus Evija. But when it comes to the environment, which British legend is truly greener? Let's break it down UK style. Restoring a classic like a Land Rover Defender or an MG means giving British motoring history a second chance, skipping the massive emissions from building a brand new car from scratch. Plus, these beauties aren't daily drivers, so their overall emissions often stay low. But here's the catch. Old engines guzzle petrol and pump out more CO2 than any modern British ride. Some restoration methods use materials that aren't exactly eco-friendly either. Now, let's talk British EVs. No tailpipe emissions, and if you charge up with British wind or solar, you're gliding along clean and green. But building those batteries, that means mining lithium and cobalt, often far from British soil, using loads of energy, and sometimes harming the environment. Bottom line, restoration done wisely can be surprisingly green, especially with upgrades like electric conversions or using sustainable British materials. So whether you love a classic Bentley or the latest Rolls-Royce Spectre, the greenest road is all about thoughtful British choices.